Hello everyone, welcome here. This lecture you are going to learning how to create a project using command prompt. Yes, in PyCharm IDE we are going to using this terminal command prompt to creating with Django framework project creation and app creation and interacting while creating a project skeleton to quickly complete our project requirements. So this lecture I'm going to present you how super easily we are going to creating a project for our REST API. Yes, for this all you have to use a command Django hyphen D is a silent, so calling as a Django hyphen admin admin Django hyphen admin start project. A keyword, simple single keyword, start project, and the name of the project, any name you can provide here. So I am giving here my project name is Django API without space. Ensure that whenever you are creating a folder or files in the project level, shouldn't avoid use like a spaces. So Django admin space start project space Django API. When you hit an enter, you definitely immediately you are seeing the prompt immediately. So you may observe here at the your PyCharm IDE, you may observe here a Django API what the project name I have given. If you want to create any other, you just create n number of projects by yourself. Whereas follow my guidelines and instructions and create this way to complete this lecture till end. We are going to reaching a step by step to create end level of API creations and all using this project. So ensure to create the same name of the project name, and when you expand this, there is a folder called inside these files will be created. So next lecture I'll show you how these files will be help in our project. And once you created this project, what you need to do, simply Python, for this you have to go inside cd Django API, change a directory cd Django API cd dot for backslash or cd and initiate d and space, you just go inside the folder. Cd means change a directory. Now you just run a command python manage .py space run server, python space manage.py space run server, hit enter. Now you see, wow, beautiful. See here what it is saying completely. Earlier it is in a path identification problem, now it is a start loader. Now the start loader, it is a Django version and it's a showing something like a development server 127.0.0.1:8000. It's a port number. So take a copy, or else you just http : along with this take a copy, open a browser, any of your browser, paste it and hit an enter. Beautiful. It's really awesome and beautiful. You just go with the 100% view. Yes, this is the 100% view. Then installation worked successfully and congratulations, means Django framework will installed in our computer machine at our development environment system, and it's working perfectly. So let's see, it's a 127, it's a nothing but local host IP address. Also say that loopback IP address. Internet protocol for local development server : 8000 is a port number default for Django services. Now here when you see this window at your browser, means you are installed Python and Django framework and created a project successfully in your computer system. Awesome, no? So beautiful. You want to skip it's a server is running. Django server is starting, development server is running. If you want to stop, control break or control C to terminate this. Or else if you want to take a one more prompt, you just go over here for new tab, control shift T to new tab, means new terminal will be created. This server is keep on running. So however you want, you just go and apply. So just I'm trying to at present just Control C to stopping the running of this server. Now I will explain you in the next lecture understanding about these project architecture. I'll catch you there. Thank you.